Do you live in a small town and want to earn extra money without leaving your job? Well, we're going to go over some great ideas that will help you put some money in your pocket, maybe even up to $500 a month. Let's walk through some of these ideas, okay? So the first idea of what would be a great side hustle for you to add extra money and not quit your current job is a VA for a city business. Now, there's a lot of things that you can do. You can manage somebody's calendar, you can do email reply, you can do customer service, you can do administrative work. Yes, you may need to learn a few skills in different software platforms, but I can tell you right now, it's a nice remote job that can pay well. So consider having to be a virtual assistant. Number 2 is a social media manager for a local business. Now, small business owners, I always hear this from small town business owners. I don't have enough time and I don't know how to really do any social media. So the biggest thing is be consistent. Take photos and post them up and continue doing that. The more consistent you are, the more they're going to trust you. So that's a great number 2. Number 3 is online tutoring. Probably not a lot of tutoring opportunities in small towns, so that certainly is available. But then on the online version, there's all sorts of things that you can do, from math tutoring, English tutoring, or test prep if somebody's got to get ready to take a very specialized test. That's another great option. Number 4 is a specialized repair service. Lawnmowers, small engines. Let's face it, nobody wants to drive 40 miles to get their small engine repaired. And if you know anything about small engine repair, that might be a great side hustle for you. Number 5 is elderly assistance or running errands for elderly individuals. A lot of small towns have a pretty large elderly population. And so that's a great captive audience for you to be able to be hired to do running errands, do grocery shopping for the individual, or just some straight companionship with them. So take a look at that. Number 6 is event setup and teardown. Think about this. You're going to have specialized markets that are going on, weddings, pop-up events. Think about, you could charge anywhere from $100 to $300 per event, and it's only going to take you a couple hours to do that. Might be a good possibility there. And then finally, what about a weekend pop-up business for yourself? What about a bake sale? What about some arts and crafts? What about slime? If you've got making slime for kids, that's a great opportunity there. Or take a look at local produce. It's an excellent way to add some extra income. Now, how would you go about marketing yourself for these side hustles? First of all, create your own Facebook group, or number 2, go and join some Facebook groups that might be interested in what you have to do. Take some before and after photos. Let's say, for example, small engine repair. What would that before and after look like? Number 3 is you could do a neighbors only discount. Have a specialized, your basically zip code only discount. Ask for referrals. People who like your service, get them to refer you out to others. And then maybe a strategic alliance with a small business owner in your community, somebody who could find a good partnership to share business with because they don't do what you do. Now, side hustles really are the gateway to financial freedom in a small town. Start small, serve well, and build some momentum. Go out there, get that side hustle started, and make it a great day.